Welcome to AG Vocational School, where skills shape success and careers begin. India is a booming industry, and today, skill is a new currency for success. Our mission is simple: to build a better India by building better boys and girls. And that's why we focus on high-demand industries like tailoring, beautician, computer, and hospitality, ensuring every student is ready for a thriving career. With courses designed for real-world success, we offer flexible duration options and time slots to suit your schedule. Whether you're a student, working professional, or someone looking to upskill, we make learning accessible, practical, and impactful. At the AG Vocational School, located in Tangra, Kolkata, we've been shaping futures since 1987, offering industry demand courses that make you job ready. Don't get left behind. Flow your way to success